Now, chapter 18, question 174. Diols in which both hydroxy groups are bonded to the same carbon can spontaneously eliminate a molecule of water to produce a carbonyl compound. Okay, so what does it mean by this statement? It means, let's say I have a compound, okay, where one carbon is bonded to two hydroxyl group. Okay, both the OH groups are bonded to the same carbon like this. Then, very spontaneously, okay, this this OH group will be removed, this H will be removed, and at the end, we get a carbonyl compound. Sorry, a CH3 here. Okay, so something like this will happen. So a carbonyl compound is formed. That carbonyl compound can be aldehyde, can be ketone. So now we have to look at these four compounds, A, B, C, D. Which compound after complete hydrolysis will give a positive reaction with Tollens reagent? Tollens reagent means aldehyde. Positive result. So only aldehyde will give positive result with Tollens reagent because it can be oxidized by Tollens reagent, not ketone. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this. We are now going to look at A, B, C, D one by one. So A, we have 1,1-dibromobutane, 4 carbon. Okay, A, 1,1-dibromobutane, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So I'm going to put Br, okay, Br. Okay, H. The rest are alkyl groups. Okay. So first undergo hydrolysis. That means Br will be replaced by the hydroxyl group. So all these are the same, no change. But this CH is now bonded to 2 hydroxyl group. You see? Diols in which both hydroxy groups are bonded to the same carbon will eliminate a water molecule. And what do you get? Okay, you will get a carbonyl compound. Double bond O and then 1 H. So this is aldehyde. Sorry, the H. Now, this will give positive reaction with Tollens reagent. Very fast. The answer is A. As usual, we try to check other answers also. Now let's start with B this time. Okay, I'm going to erase this faster. Use a bigger one. Here, we look at B now. One, 2-dibromobutane. Still 4 carbon, but this time 1, 2-dibromobutane. Okay, carbon number 1 as I put here. 2. So H, H, H. Now here will be CH3, CH2. Okay, hydrolysis of this compound. Can you see that the OH group will not be bonded to the same carbon. Okay, since both the hydroxy groups are not bonded to the same carbon, it won't eliminate water to form carbonyl compound. Therefore, don't even form carbonyl compound, we do not have to look at whether it will give positive reaction with Tollens reagent or not. So B is not correct. Now C is 1,3. 1,3-dibromobutane. So what I'm going to do is erase this. It will become H. And this carbon now will be bonded to 1Br. Okay. So this is hydrogen. Okay. Sorry, forgot. I need to erase this number 2 here. Because now this C is bonded to 1Br. So again, hydrolysis of this compound will not give you hydroxy groups on the same carbon. Okay. Right, this is H. Erase this. This is OH. Hydroxy groups not bonded to the same carbon, okay, won't eliminate water molecule. Reaction will stop here. Okay, now let's look at the last one. Let me put a cross here first. Okay, to remind myself that that is not the answer. Okay, the last one, I have 2,2-dibromobutane. Okay, 2,2-dibromobutane. This is carbon number 2. So here H. Now the carbon number 2 is now bonded to 2Br. So I erase this H also. Br. So in the final product, the hydroxy groups are bonded to the same carbon. Let me think. Maybe I should just draw it. Okay. Let me change the position of this OH with this CH3 so it's easier for us to see. Yeah, they're still bonded to the same carbon. I just change the position. They're still the same thing. So now these two hydroxy groups, okay, let me remove a water molecule. Okay, this will be eliminated as water. So at the end, what do we get is okay, we get a carbonyl compound. Here now this C is bonded to O with a double bond. Okay, it is bonded to a CH3. Then it's bonded to CH2, CH3. But this is not an aldehyde. This is a ketone because this carbon is not bonded to a H, right? This C double bond O is bonded to two alkyl groups. So this is a ketone which will not give positive reaction with Tollens reagent. So D is not the answer also. Okay, the answer to this question is A.